both come here because we have concern about our bike that we purchased from your store.
Well, my bike has been making a strange sound since I brought it home.
And my bike has been shifting roughly, making it hard to ride smoothly, and I left my bike at home, so he fetched me here.
Thank you for bringing me this issue to my attention. I will inspect this motorcycle and find out what is the problem on this motorcycle. I found out the problem of this motorcycle, so I will repair it as soon as possible as I can, and I will do my best to repair it.
We appreciate your attention to this problem. We just want our bike in a good condition.
Yes, safety is our priority. We hope this issue can be resolved quickly.
Okay. Thank you, and sorry for taking your time.